Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be demonstrating in this video how to take the CorelDRAW decal that you designed for your Chromebook, export it into Silhouette, and get it prepped and ready to print on the Cameo Cutter. Once you've completed your design, you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Export. You're going to save it as a different file type, which is going to be a DXF. DXF is a format that allows it to communicate and talk with Silhouette. So click that and click Export. Make sure it's saved in the corresponding folder in your P drive. Again, yours should have a P and then your student ID number in it. Mine has my specific name on it. So save it in there. Once it's saved, you are not going to go into CorelDRAW, but you're going to go into Silhouette. The Silhouette that you're using is right here. Click that blue icon with the S on it. And when you pop it up, it's going to look like this. Your first step is to go to File, Open, go back into where your P drive is and find that corresponding file that says DXF after it. You might have several versions, so do the most recent version and push OK. Once it's loaded, you can see that it is on the size of what is corresponding to here. Okay. Hopefully this is the same as your CorelDRAW. If you have not changed this yet, you're going to change the width to the size of the Chromebook, which is 11.5, and the height to 7.5. Push Enter, and that should snap to that. If for whatever reason your image is not the same size as this, expand it by drawing a box around it or selecting a box around it, holding the Shift button, and extend that to maximize the size. So that way it takes up as much of that as you can. So again, we're looking at that red line is what we're looking for. So get it as close to there as possible. Once you have it as close to that red line as possible, you are then going to be going to make sure, or then you're going to be going to Send up here. So I was in Page Setup. Now I'm going to be going to Send. When you go to Send, you're going to need to first select the material type, which is all the way down to Vinyl Glossy. Okay, that's what we are using, Vinyl Glossy. So click there, and you'll see it turns red. Whatever red is going to get cut out. All right, so you want to make sure that everything is getting cut out that needs to be cut out. If some part of your image is missing, you might have to go back and edit in the design section here, or you might have to go actually back to CorelDRAW. So if I've sent it and everything looks good, click Action. You might have to play around with a simple line or the fill, but for the most part, mine looks great. Click Send, and then when I have the speed and the thickness all set up, you can hit Send. It should already be preset, but talk with me if you need help with that. Then click Send. And when you click Send, it'll have a status bar down here, and it'll show you approximately how long it takes to print. Once it's done printing, remove it, and then you can start the weeding process on your project.